Hi guys, in this video, I will guide you through editing a sunset photo. In the picture that the water is yellow, it is not beautiful. Because when it rains, the water here will always be yellow. Please note. With this yellow color the image will not be very attractive. This picture is very beautiful, but I find it unattractive. So I will want to change, to make this photo more attractive. I will create one more layer. In FineArt Secret, I has a feature. That's me transferring watercolor to color cast. I will change the watercolor from yellow to green. Then in the previous parts, I also showed you how to adjust watercolor by adding watercolor. In this tutorial I will show you how to add the sun flare. Here, I took a photo of a beautiful sunset. The edge of the hair is very beautiful. And now I adjust the water to green. Then I just click on it. Then you see water. From the yellow it became green. Then I can do it twice. Does it again, plus color cast, yellow becomes green. There you see the water is very beautiful. Only 2 clicks. Before, after. Very beautiful. For many of you, if you think this color is too bright, I can reduce the opacity. I regrouped and I reduced the opacity. Then you can adjust it however you want. So I think about 80% is okay. Before, after. Then to process this leaf part, I will create a mask. I click on the mask I created and then I reset the brush. You see if it's not 100%, I will reset brush. Set it to 100% and I'll sweep it off the leaves. Then at this time, we'll return to its yellow color. And the water is blue. You see it's very easy, very quick. I also delete the part that affects the skin too, if it affects the skin. And this tree I return to its original color. Then you see with just 2 mouse clicks. Then I change this watercolor. Becoming a very impressive photo, before, after. I can also add more contrast to this photo, by adding contrast. Clearer picture, before, after. Then next you can add flare. I think this photo I took at sunset, the natural light is very beautiful. However, here it does not have enough flare. I can add flare, I choose any one. Then I let it grow. Please note, this is the natural light it is available. So when I added it, it was very appropriate. You will find it very realistic and natural. Then I just need to delete the area that affects it. Here I see the border, I will delete it. Next, I will treat the skin. As well as pulling the legs of the model. I will group all these layers together. Then I will press the M key. Click drag over here, press Ctrl T. Shift, pull the leg out. Then I will see longer model legs. You can whiten your skin by choosing skin, white skin 3. Scan the skin. That's when I have whiter skin now. And I can make the skin by merging the layers together. And I choose skin, beauty skin or soft skin or smooth skin, that depends on your preference. Okay, zone the skin. Then I press enter. Then I just swipe on the part of the skin I want to smooth. You scan in. Here you can see that the skin is much smoother. Then you can also adjust the face liquefy, merge the layer. I go to liquefy. In the tools section, I can choose to squeeze people, squeeze faces. Or you can use one of Sam's tools, face. I will choose Blend 1 or Blend 2, Blend 3. Then Sam usually chooses Blend 1. Then you will see face is slimmer. If you find it not enough, you can choose to add another blend. Here before, after, the face is much slimmer. And just like that, I finished this photo. You can also tweak it further by being yourself dodge and burn. Here is this tree, it's a bit bright, I want the picture to have more depth, burn. Select burn and I will sweep in this part of the tree to darken it. as well as below. some contiguous points, let me create depth for the photo. Please note that this is just a preference. It is not a mandatory formula. Take note. In addition, you can still make your photo more sharp by adding detail. Then after you increase detail, you see the picture is much sharper, before, after. However, it is a bit harsh, I will reduce it to suit my wishes. Normally, I will leave about 30%. Before, after. You see with just a few mouse clicks. I have a before picture like this. Change to after. There is depth, much more clarity, very beautiful. Please note that with this color cast, now you will not be afraid of the yellow watercolor anymore. You will have a purpose when taking this photo. You will know that when I take the photo, I will do post-processing. So be careful, I always knows what he can do when he shoots. If you don't know what you can do when you shoot, you won't get good pictures. You have to know how you will handle it. Can this watercolor be treated or not? Can the sky color be treated? Then when you press the camera, you will be very confident.